Hi there. In this video, I will type just one short sentence, and with this, I will show you all the typing tricks so that you can type fast and efficiently like a pro on your CAT S22 Flip. The first thing to do is to install the old T9 keyboard app. Head to the Play Store and install the app. I have a link to the app in the description. This is by far the best T9 keyboard app for the CAT S22 Flip. After installing, launch it and follow the instructions on the screen. The first step is to enable the keyboard. And then the next, you have to activate it as the default keyboard. The app is free to use for basic typing operations. But if you really want the pro stuff, I suggest you buy the premium because that unlocks the settings where the real good stuff is. It is a one-time payment of just $4, but it provides multiple times its value. After buying the premium, open settings and enable vibration. This improves the typing experience tremendously with haptic feedback. Next, if your CAT has a multi-press problem, where one key causes multiple key press events in the software, enable this option to resolve the problem forever. Next, enable the option called Hide Alpha-numeric keys. This minimizes the on-screen keyboard to only the function keys, giving you more screen real estate. But here is a pro tip. You can get rid of all the buttons on screen by setting the keyboard height to the lowest value. See? Now the on-screen keys are gone and you are left with only the suggestions bar, which shows the words as you type for you to select. Next, go to the option called Auto Close Emoji and turn it on. This closes the emoji panel automatically, which is great for fast typing, like a pro. The next pro tip. Turn off space after word, and this will allow you to type faster, especially when you are entering punctuation. Next, if you are a person who is conversant in more than one language, enable your favorite languages. I will show you how to quickly switch between languages when you are typing. Let me enable French. Just let it complete loading. And now we are all set to type. Let us type out this sentence. Wouldn't you like to type like a pro on the CAT S22 dumbphone? Here's a pro tip. To type words with apostrophes like wouldn't, use the one key in place of the apostrophe. Just like this. Next pro tip. To type in all caps, just press star twice. And another pro tip. Just watch the status bar to see that the input mode is now EN for English with all caps. To type a word that would obviously not be in the dictionary, like the word S22, turn off T9 mode by pressing hash and enter Multitap mode. See, the status bar now changed to AB. This is Multitap mode. Enter the letter S, and then here is another pro tip. To enter numbers, just long press on the key. Here is another word, dumbphone, that wouldn't be in the dictionary. See, if I tried to type this in T9 mode, it is not there in the dictionary. So we can continue entering the word with multitap mode. And let us key in the word. And here is another pro tip. If after entering a word in multitap mode, if you press space, the word is automatically added into the dictionary. See, if I now go into T9 mode and type dumbphone, there it is. Cool, isn't it? If you're typing something in multitap mode, it is probably not in the dictionary. So as soon as you press space, the app adds the word automatically to the dictionary. Now to add the question mark or any other punctuation, long press on star. It opens up a window which has both symbols and emoji. You can select a symbol or emoji with just the keypad like this. And since we turned on the option to auto close emoji, this panel closes automatically as soon as we enter the question mark symbol. Next, to type in French, I will just switch the language with the long press of the hash key. See, the status bar now shows FR for French. Now type in the words, remembering to use one key in place of the apostrophe. Here is the last pro tip. To end a sentence with a full stop, just double press quickly on the space or 0 key. So there you have it. You can now type like a pro on your CAT S22 Flip with all these tips. I have laid out all the tips in the description if you would ever want to refer to it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more helpful videos about the CAT. Thank you.